Oh Lord. Guys, it's like 4 a.m. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I do have an exciting video for you guys. I am going to be reviewing the Anastasia, the new Soft Glam palette, and also the Anastasia collab with Amrezy. This highlight right here has been highly talked about. Alright, and this is my first time using this one. I swatched it in store, but this one I have not swatched. It's similar to Modern Renaissance, but this one is definitely more natural. So these right here are the 3 shimmer shades that I swatched. And you can see on there that these are really pigmented as well. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead in with Dusty Rose. This shade right here. This one is a purple shade. I'm just going to use that as my transition shade. There is fallout. This is definitely really pigmented. You can tell. Honestly, when this palette first came out, I wasn't too thrilled about it when I seen it. And then once I actually saw it in store and got to swatch it, that's when I was like, I have to get it. I'm going to go in with Rustic, this shade right here, and I'm going to put that right in my crease. So far this palette is like extremely pigmented. This is very similar quality-wise, like to the Modern Renaissance palette. I think this might be my new favorite. Alright, and I'm going to go back in with the E27 just to soften that. And these blend really, really, really smooth. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and this one is Mulberry. And I'm going to keep that right on, I'm going to keep that one right on my outer corner and also the inside. Like, look at that pigment. Sorry guys, my eyes are watering so bad. Even the darker shades with this palette, they blend out super easy. And there's no fallout, which I do have foundation on, there's no fallout underneath of my eye, which is like amazing, because normally I never do foundation first for that reason, because I feel like there's always fallout. I'm going to take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil, and this one's in the shade Milk, and I'm just going to put a little bit of that just on the back of my hand because I really want the color in the middle to pop. And I'm just going to take a little bit on my finger. And I'm going to put that right in the center. This is somewhat going to work as like a primer for the shade that I'm going to put. Alright, and I'm thinking I really want to go in with this purple shade right here. Either this one or the bronzy shade. But it's looking like this one, because this one is like super duper pretty. Or should I do pink? No, actually I'm going to go in with Rose Pink. This pink shade right here, and I'm going to put that right on the center of my lid. And I'm just going to take an E56 brush by Sigma, just a flat shader brush. And actually I'm going to use my finger first. Wow. It was really pigmented. Looks really nice. Alright, so now I'm going to take the brush that I used on the outer corner, and I'm going back into Mulberry. And I'm just going to blend that in. Alright, and now I'm going to go into Cypress Umber, this darker shade right here. And I'm actually going to switch brushes. I'm going to use a Sigma E30 brush, just a pencil brush. And I'm going to pop that right on the outer corner just to darken that up a little bit. I'm going to go back into that rose pink shade just to wet it. I want to see how it applies while wet. Okay, now I'm going to do the lower lash line, and I'm going to go in with Dusty Rose. Alright, and then I'm going to go into Mulberry, the shade right here, and I'm going to keep that on the lower lash line. These are like super pigmented. Very pretty. I love the different colors that they did use with this palette. I love that there's some purples in here. Alright, and then next I'm going to take Tempera and put that shade right on my brow bone. Alright, and I'm going to take that same shade and pop it right in my inner corner. Alright, and then I'm going to pop on some lashes and I'll be right back. Alright, so now that I have my lashes on, I'm going to go ahead and highlight. So I'm super excited. I have seen like all of the really good reviews on this one, so I'm excited to try it. For one, I love the packaging of this. It's similar to their other ones, but I like the little stars that they did add on there. And here it is. So this one is different from the products. There are other products that I've seen. There's like the actual powder has texture to it. Let me take out this little mirror. The plastic. For some reason, I hate having these on products. Like I don't know. It just drives me nuts. But this is what it looks like right here. So on one side of the face, I'm gonna just apply it just regular, and then the other side I'm going to apply some Fix Plus just so you can see the difference. And okay, so I'm gonna dip in there. Ooh. And excuse my pimple. Oh yeah, this one's really pretty. This one is different. I have So Hollywood by Anastasia, and that one, for me personally, I noticed that like whenever I do apply the highlight, I could see that there was like any texture on my skin or anything like that, because normally I go with Becca Cosmetics because of that. For that reason, because I do have texture on my skin and I hate when I wear a highlight and you can see it. So with Becca Cosmetics I can't, and honestly with this one I can't see. This one sets just like the Becca Champagne Pop, which is, if you've been watching my videos you know that's my favorite. But yeah, this one is really, really pretty. Alright, so on the other side, let me get a little bit. And I'm going to spray. Wow. Yeah, that might be a little too much. Can you ever have too much highlight? Yeah, so you can see this side, this is just the powder. This is with the brush damp. So yeah, this is definitely a blinding highlight, but this one can be subtle. You're a basic bitch. But on this channel, I like it to be a little bit extra. Alright, so I'm going to put some down the bridge of my nose. A little bit on the forehead. And I'm going to keep this bow. Wow. Yeah, I definitely love it. This one's kind of like a white gold. It's really, really pretty on the skin. And it doesn't look ashy. I love how it kind of just melts into the skin. It looks really, really good. So this is the finished look. I tested out the highlighter. I tested out the eyeshadow palette. I definitely love both products. I think the Soft Glam palette, they definitely did their thing. I'm so glad this formula was not like the Subculture. These are extremely pigmented. This is pretty much exactly like the Modern Renaissance palette. Now this is a palette that I would probably gravitate to more than like an everyday palette, because there are soft colors and then you can also make it a little bit more bold with the darker shades right here on the end. I definitely recommend this one. I absolutely love this one. I think this might be my new favorite. Also, the highlighter. I absolutely love this one. Like it's perfect. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys would like to see more reviews or anything like that on my channel, let me know in the comments down below. The more that you guys request, the more videos that I will push. If there's reviews or if there's products that you want me to try, Yeah, but that is pretty much it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.